Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna give some personal suggestion to international students, those who are scheduled to come this month because of the ongoing study season or January intake. So before I proceed further, I would like to clarify neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body or decision maker. So whatever I tell in this video is based on my personal analysis and research, and it should be considered personal suggestion and not legal suggestion in any way. If you take anything out of this video, this is just based on your own risk. Alright guys. So the very first thing I would tell to everyone, not just to students at this moment, is to come with additional backup. Because of the pandemic, things are upside down and there is a lot of uncertainty. So we really don't know what's there gonna happen soon, new variant or what exactly. So have some additional financial backup so that in case of worse situations, you have something you can rely upon. Because when everything is closed and there's no help coming, only what you have in your bank is gonna help you. Although in Canada, like international students and all got much better help than countries like Australia, still I suggest come with additional backup. Then comes like going through immigration. So guys, before you travel to Canada, I have read many cases where immigration consultant or agent, whatever you say, they have handed over fake documents to their candidates and the candidates were caught. Remember one thing guys, if you are coming to Canada, you are responsible for yourself. It doesn't matter if your engineer, if your agent does anything or someone else. If you are caught, you're gonna be penalized. So if you have been handed over documents related to your study by your agent, I won't tell you to do random check. I would tell you to do each and every document check, each and every detail check, so that you don't end up, because even a small mismatch can end up misrepresentation. So be very careful about it, and also like read all the documents that you are carrying, and you should be confident. And when it comes to your course, you should be confident about answering anything related to your course. You should be aware of what exactly you are studying, how long, modules. I mean, if you are going to do any study in a different country, you should be aware of, right, what exactly the study is and what are the contents, what are the modules. So if any question is asked related to that, you should be able to answer. Then print out fee, how you are going to fund your studies. There are so many common questions that are generally asked. You can get all these questions by doing a simple Google search, where a lot of people have shared your experience. Prepare the answers for this so that you don't feel scared. And moreover, like when be very polite with immigration officers. You may not like too much of questioning, but this is the job of the immigration officers to question you, to make sure you are a legitimate international student. So make sure, don't lose your heart and do not misbehave with them at all. Be honest, be confident. I know a lot of us have the tendencies to become nervous or anxious, and it's quite natural. There's nothing wrong in it, but you need to be confident, because the more you feel anxious, nervous, the more chances are there that you would do mistakes, and that may turn towards the wrong side. So don't do that. Be confident, be prepared. There's no problem in doing preparation at your home, right, where you can ask your friend or family member to ask you questions and you try to answer. Like, you can read experiences of various people, right? So do that definitely. And even in adverse situations, what exactly is gonna follow, how to deal with this, all these pieces of information are available online. You better read and be confident. I mean, come with lot of practice so that you don't lose. And when you are going to somewhere in Quebec, you need CAQ, so there's a question of its validity, and also make sure you understand that as well, then you come. Thanks for watching.